Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious here, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive movement. When you stop and think about the fact that the price was just sitting down around here, and now the price has worked its way all the way up to where it has, any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a good, solid move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? 57 cents. Why is 57 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 57, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work itself back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. That's what you want to see price movements do, make progress. And once again, in this situation, that quote-unquote progress point is right there at 57 cents. In terms of areas of resistance, main battleground to watch is that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued up there around the 77-cent mark. So keep a close eye on that. But all in all, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume. So let's see how this one plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.